Hi, I'm Harrison.
And I'm Patrick.
And we're the Killian Whites.
Since moving to the Coachella Valley, we've become associated with the Desert AIDS Project.
Through the Steve Chase Humanitarian Awards.
Every year at this time, we throw a post-holiday recovery party.
Party! This year, it's Saturday, January the 11th.
See you there.
We want to party for a cause.
Party with a purpose.
We want to raise money to help fund the need for Desert AIDS Project.
This organization provides comprehensive medical care
and support services for people living with HIV/AIDS.
We know that times are challenging,
but that's when it's even more necessary
to fund the organizations that support those who are least able
to help themselves. Yeah.
It can be whatever's comfortable for you.
From the price of a cup of coffee to the price of a car.
Whatever's comfortable.
Just help us fund the need.
We're raising money until February the 8th.
So if you can't make the party, you can still donate. Help us.